Hello everyone! If you are looking for a video tutorial about how to enable customer accounts in Shopify, this is the best video for you. So make sure that you will finish this video and I'll make sure that you will be able to do that thing because I'm going to show you step by step what are you going to do. First thing that you need to do is to open your Shopify store. And after that, we're going to navigate on the settings below. And right here, look for the customer accounts. And once you found it, you just need to open that one or tap that one to open. And as you can see here, this is the account in online store and checkout. Customer accounts let customer log in to track orders, view order history, and save addresses for faster checkout. As you can see here, the customer accounts are hidden. Let us see first or look first if what our store looks like. So we just need to search for our URL and there we will be able to see what our store look. And as you can see here, you can see the customer account login icon. You can only see home, catalog, contact, the search bar, and this one. And if you scroll down, you can only see this browse our latest product and the button shop all. And that's all what in your store. So let's go back to our Shopify store. So here, what we're going to do is to click customer accounts, and here in accounts in online store and checkout, we are going to edit this one. Click edit, and right here, just need to check this one to show login link in the header of online store and add the checkout. After that, you can choose which version of customer accounts to use. We have here the new customer accounts wherein customers will log in with a new time or one-time code sent to their email. And the second one option is the classic customer accounts wherein customers will log in with email and the password. And in my case, I'm going to choose that one. And to save the changes, you just need to tap save. And if you're going to view your store, as you can see, the icon of customer is not yet here. And if you refresh it, it's not yet, it's not still there. So what we're going to do is to copy again our URL and search for this again in a new tab. Let's check this one and let's open a new tab to search our store if it worked for us. And yes, there's the customer icon. If you're going to click that one, you will be able to log in. They can create their account and they can log in or sign in to their account using their email and password. And that's it. And once that you change your mind and you want to disable that customer accounts icon, you just need to go back to the customer accounts and edit the accounts in online store and checkout, then you are just going to uncheck that one. And that's all for this video. I hope it helps you a lot, and if yes, please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you on my next video. Thank you so much.